is กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทรายุทธยามหาดิลกภพนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีรัมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถานอมรพิมานอวตารสถิตสักกทัตติยวิษณุกรรมประสิทธิ์ that the full name which is mean the city of angel
kecuali di kawasan pintu dan tingkap kecemasan. Ianya bertindak terhadap supaya tidak bergerak. Pastikan tiada barang di ruang hadapan tempat duduk anda. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas kerana barang yang jatuh boleh menyebabkan. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment as falling objects may cause injuries. You are advised to take care of your personal belongings at all times. Select your portable electronic devices to flight mode before switching it off if you wish to use it in flight when allowed. All portable electronic devices must be switched off for takeoff and landing. sementara itu nikmatilah penerbangan kami. Salam Azra, good evening ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and rich and one world frequent flyer members. Malaysia Airlines Captain Rosman and the rest of the crew would like to welcome you on our flight MH781 to Kuala Lumpur. Our cabin crew in charge is Steve Daniel. This flight will take 2 hours. Smoking is not permitted, including electronic cigarettes. Call us if you need any assistance. Meanwhile, sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, untuk keselamatan anda, sebentar lagi kami akan menayangkan video mengenai alat keselamatan dan tata cara untuk keluar dari pesawat ini semasa kecemasan. Tata cara keselamatan dalam pesawat ini mungkin berbeza dengan yang lain, serta bukan perhatian kepada taklimat keselamatan kami. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, a video presentation on the safety features and evacuation procedures will be screened shortly. As the safety procedures on this aircraft may differ from the other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to our safety briefing.
Are identified clearly.
dipadamkan. Pengambilan cap jari biometrik akan diambil semasa pemeriksaan imigresen bagi semua pelawat asing. Malaysia menguatkuasakan undang-undang anti dadah, perdagangan manusia dan penggeledahan migran yang amat ketat. Jika sabit kesalahan boleh dikenakan hukuman paling berat. Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, kindly put your seat uprights to your chair table. Fasten your seatbelt and ensure all electronic devices are switched off. A biometric fingerprint will be captured during immigration clearance for all visitors. Malaysia enforces very strict laws against drug. Telah mendarat di lapangan terbang dan terbang sekedar. Bagi tinjauan keselamatan anda dikendaki berada di tempat duduk segera isyarat pasangkan tali kena dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas. Anda dibenarkan memasang telefon bimbit selepas tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kena dipadamkan. Waktu tempatan sekarang ialah pada pukul 11.19 malam. Bagi pihak Kapten Rosman dan semua kapal, kami mengucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih Malaysia Airlines yang merupakan ahli One World. Semoga kita bertemu lagi di dalam penerbangan. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have landed at Kuala International Airport. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do be careful whenever you open the overhead compartment. You may use your mobile phones after the seatbelt sign is switched off. It's 21 minutes past 11 in the evening, and on behalf of Captain Rosman and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us. Malaysia Airlines, a member of One World Alliance. It's been a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again. To all transit passengers, you are required to check on the latest information on departure gates and flight information display screen located around the terminal. All passengers are required to be at departure gates 20 minutes prior to departure times to avoid the night of passengers and baggage. Thank you.